Hello and welcome to this session. Today, we will explore Unit 21, Synoptic Computing Project, focusing on the data analyst pathway of the ATHE Level 4 Extended Diploma in Computing. By the end of this session, you will understand how design, planning, and documentation play a crucial role in successfully completing your Synoptic project. The unit is graded on a pass, merit, or distinction basis. Learners select projects aligned with their pathway. Emphasis is on design, planning, and professionalism. Implementation is not required. The process itself is assessed. This structure allows focus on essential skills. Identify a real-world problem or opportunity. Design a computing solution relevant to your pathway. Assessment includes investigation and design tools. Planning and professional practice are also evaluated. This holistic approach ensures comprehensive learning. Define the problem or opportunity clearly. Identify key stakeholders such as users and regulators. Explain how your solution meets their needs. Define measurable success metrics for evaluation. Justify your choice of metrics for a merit grade. Use design tools like ERD and UML. Create an implementation plan with timelines. Explain your testing strategy in detail. Justify design tool choices for a merit grade. This task emphasizes structured planning. Discuss skills needed for effective teamwork. Choose communication methods for your audience. Address ethical and legislative considerations. Justify communication choices for a merit grade. Evaluate your approach for a distinction. Evaluate how well your solution meets needs. Reflect on professionalism and best practices. Adapt communication for technical and non-technical audiences. Show awareness of teamwork and industry standards. This evaluation is key for distinction. Consider data analysis like crime statistics. Software development could involve a booking system. Cybersecurity projects might focus on incident response. Projects must align with your pathway. Approval from an assessor is required before starting. Submit a formal project proposal document. Include design diagrams and an implementation plan. Explain your testing strategy thoroughly. Provide professional documentation and evaluation. These elements are crucial for assessment. Design is a cornerstone of the project. Use appropriate tools for effective solutions. Ensure alignment with your chosen pathway. Design impacts the project's overall success. It is a critical assessment area. Planning is crucial for project success. Create detailed timelines and plans. Include Gantt charts and critical path analysis. Planning helps manage resources effectively. It is vital for achieving project goals. Testing ensures project reliability. Use user and compliance testing methods. Justify your testing strategy choices. Testing reveals potential issues early. It is a key component of the assessment. Documentation reflects project professionalism. Include all necessary elements clearly. Ensure documentation aligns with industry standards. It is essential for project evaluation. Good documentation supports the project's success. Ethics are vital in computing projects. Consider GDPR and other regulations. Address ethical issues in your project proposal. Ethical practices enhance project credibility. They are crucial for professional success. Effective communication is key to project success. Tailor methods to your audience's needs. Justify your choices in your project proposal. Communication impacts project understanding. It is a vital skill for professionals. In conclusion, the ATHE Level 4 Diploma in Computing offers a comprehensive foundation in design, planning, and documentation within the computing field, by developing both theoretical understanding and practical skills. The program equips learners with the knowledge required to excel in various computing roles, laying the groundwork for a successful and sustainable career in the industry. For support or questions, reach out via WhatsApp at 07-484 361 688. We're happy to help. Thank you, and see you in the next session.